Good morning students, myself Dr. Shakti Bejal. Today I am going to teach you a topic of English language. Children, this topic is especially for class 9th and 10th class. And you know the topic which I am going to teach you today, this is transformation. But children, as you know that transformation is a very big topic in itself. So today I have decided to take a single topic of transformation, that is to transform the following sentences from affirmative to negative. But before starting this lecture, children, I would like to remind you one thing. I think you know all that whenever we are transforming the sentences, we will not change the meaning of the sentence. Suppose if your sentence is in affirmative, then if you will change it into negative, then also sentence form means that the sentence can be changed, but meaning of the sentence should not be changed. But if you will change the meaning of the sentence, then definitely your sentence is wrong. Children, so you see here I have written some sentences over there on this board, and the first sentence is he is my friend. In this sentence you can see that this sentence is affirmative, means without negation, and as you know the topic that you will have to change the affirmative sentence into negative. It means you will have to use not. So according to this, if suppose you will make the sentence in this way, he is not my friend. So children, all of you know that negation has come, but the meaning of the sentence has already been changed, and so your sentence will be wrong. So what you will have to do, suppose if you are writing not, so another thing which you will have to do, that is you will have to use the opposite of friend, that is enemy. And now you read this sentence. When we are saying in affirmative sentence, he is my friend, it means what will be the correct negation of the sentence, that is he is not my enemy. In that sense, children, you can see that the meaning of the sentence has not been changed. Clear? This is the first rule of changing affirmative sentences into negative. Now I am coming up to the second sentence. Only Sohan can do it. Children, this is the another rule of changing affirmative into negative. And the rule is, in any sentence, if only and alone word will come. This is, you see here, only word and one more word I am telling you, that is alone. Whenever in any affirmative sentence, only or alone word will come, then you will have to use none but while changing it into negative. So you see here, what is the sentence? Only Sohan can do it. It means this is your affirmative sentence, and when you will change it into negative, you will write none but Sohan can do it. Now this sentence has been transformed into negative. Now I am coming up to the third rule. Now you see the third rule. Now your sentence is written, Ram is taller than Mohan. I think children, all of you know that the sentence is in degree. Degree, and which degree? As you know that the word is written taller and then. It means this sentence is in comparative degree. Now you will change it into degree only. So because this sentence is in comparative, so when you will change it into negative, you will change sentence into negative also, and you will change degree also. Now you see the meaning of the sentence again, because you cannot change the meaning of the sentence also. So Ram is taller than Mohan. Who is taller? Ram. So now when you will change this into positive degree, you will write answer is Mohan is not so tall as Ram. So children, now you can see also that we have used not also and we have changed degree also, but the meaning of the sentence is not changed. It means your sentence is correct. 1, 2, 3. Now 3 types of rules I have taught you. Now I am coming up to the fourth one. Now fourth sentence is written, he is too old to run. He is too old to run. Now children, this you see, 2 times 2 has come. It means you will make this sentence while changing it into transformation. You will use the rule, that is so that. Same rule which we use to remove some 2 in the sentences. As you know, whenever we are doing remove to sentences, we use so that to change it. Same rule we are going to follow here also. So it's so very simple. He is too old to run. Answer is he's so old that he cannot run. This is the very easy one. About this another rule. Children, you see in affirmative sentences, whenever as soon as will come. So what you will do for changing it into negative? In place of as soon as, you will use no sooner. After this, you will see the tense of the sentences. In the given sentence, as you can see, the sentence is as soon as the teacher entered the class, all the students stood up. It means sentence is in past indefinite. So according to the rule of past indefinite sentence, after this no sooner, you will use did. And when you will use did, then you will use first form of verb, because you know that with did always first form of verb is used. Now after this, you see another one. After class, you can see here one comma is there. This comma is also very important. Now what you will do? To remove this comma, you will have to use then. T-H-A-N. Many of the time it has been seen the children are doing mistakes. They are writing T-H-E-N. I am telling you this is not T-H-E-N. This is T-H-A-N. It means now your sentence is as soon as the teacher entered the class, all the students stood up. What is the negation? No sooner did the teacher enter the class, then all the students stood up. Children, now you see, I have taught you near about 5 types of rule from changing affirmative sentences into negative. All these 5 rules are very important, and in all these 5 rules you have seen one thing, that is you are changing affirmative sentences into negative, but you are not changing the meaning of the sentences. Again, I am reminding you, if you will change meaning of the sentence, then your sentence will be wrong. So children, you just keep it in your mind, and I think all of you have understood all the rules properly. And before ending it, I would like to give you one assignment also. In the assignment, I will give you near about 10 sentences, and what you will have to do, you will have to change all these 10 sentences into negative. All sentences will be affirmative, and you will have to change all these 10 sentences into negative. And I think it is very easy for you now, because all the rules you have listened, all the rules you have understood also. Following all these 5 rules, you change these sentences. I am showing you all the 10 sentences. These 10 sentences you will change at home, and tomorrow in my next class I will tell you the answers of all these sentences. I think children, all of you have understood and all of you have enjoyed this class also. Thank you very much.